To get to Spicynodes, you can do a quick Google search on Spicynodes, all one word, and it should come up in the search. You see it's the first listing. We're going to click on it to get to the home page. Now what Spicynodes is, it's an interactive online tool that allows you to make mind maps or concept maps, and it's very useful if you want to assign a mapping or concept map activity to your online students, or you want to present an overview of a lesson or a module. You can use this tool to do that. Now, when the home page loads, you see an example of what you can do with this site, and it actually gives you information about the site, how it works, why you should use Spicynodes, and so on. So you can go through that to get additional information about the application. To get a new account, click on Sign Up. And here you want to enter your username and the password. An email is optional, and you can enter the password for that. You can also sign up using your Google, Facebook, Yahoo, or OpenID account. And once you've entered your information, you want to click on Sign Up Now. Because I already have an account, I'm going to click on Log In. And type in my username and password, and click the login button. Now, of course, account at Spicynodes is free, and once we get here, I'm going to click on Home. Now, because I've used Spicynodes before, my home page is a little bit different. Here I have statistics on previous node maps that I've made, also a list of node maps that I've saved in the application. To make a new one, I'm going to click on Create New Node Map. We want to enter a title. Just going to select that. Okay, and then once we hit enter, you can click Continue to create a new node map. This is going to bring us to the edit window, and the tabs we see at the top are Edit Style, Edit Content, and Preview Nodes. The Edit Style tab is where we're going to edit what the node looks like, and we have a default preview of the default style. To change your style, you want to select from this list. I'm going to select this third one, and it's loading. And it shows you what your finished product should look like. I'm going to select this one. And once you've selected the one that you want, you can go ahead and click Save. Now from this point, you want to edit this information, so we're going to go to Edit Content. And here you have a hierarchical view of the contents of your node map. The first listing is going to be your main idea, or what shows up in the middle of your concept map. So we want to click on Edit Details and type in your main idea. And you can enter a brief description here. I'm not going to enter a description. But down here where you have image or YouTube, Spicynodes allows you to upload an image, copy an image from a URL, use a URL, which means you can link to outside resources, or use a YouTube video in your node map. In this case, I want to copy from a URL, and I'm going to paste the URL of an image from Wikimedia Commons. Okay. With copy from URL selected, I'm going to paste the URL there. And then click Get File. Just transferring. And there's the image. You can view enlarged or remove the image, and you have an option as to where it's going to be placed. Okay, and I like it in the center, so I'm going to leave it there. If we click on more options, you can use colors to change the text color or the node color. And you have several different views, either crayon, diamond, wheel, and other variations. I'm going to go back to crayon and select standard black for the text, and choose that brownish type color for the node. When you finish setting it up the way you would like it to be set up, go to the top, click Save. Okay, then you have your first node already entered. To enter the sub-ideas or the subheadings, you can enter it straight from here. And once we're done, click Save to make sure the changes have been saved. If you want to see what it looks like so far, click on Preview Nodes. It's loading. And you get a preview of what your mind map is going to look like, and you can move it around and resize it as you see fit. And here you see the image that's right in the middle that we saved there. Now we want to add to this mind map, so we go back to Edit Content, and we want to enter sub-levels. To enter a sub-level, we go to the level that we're working on and click on the plus symbol, and this will take us to a new level. Click Done. You want to go back to the top if you want to enter another sub-level. Done. I'm going to enter one more. Done. I'm going to enter it for the second sub-level. And for the third one, just click Done up here. Done. Enter one more. And click Done. Always click Save, and we're going to go to Preview. And this is what our concept map looks like now. If we click on one of these, we see the sub-levels. Okay. Now for each one of these, you can go back and you can add images just like we did for the first one. You can also change the colors of the text and of the node itself. But for this case, I'm fine. I like it the way it is now. So once you're finished with it, you want to publish it. So you can either get the URL where you can share, or you can get the HTML, which you can use to embed in any other type of website that will take an embed code. And I'll show you what it looks like embedded in a website, on a web page. And this is another one that I made previously, and it's embedded on this page. And this is what it will look like. And you can see the images show up there. And that's how we use Spicynodes.